In this video, I'll show you how to print double-sided cards using Canva so your front and back line up perfectly. First, go to canva.com and log in. Click Create a Design and type card in the search bar. Choose the card size that fits your project, like greeting card or business card. Once your design opens, create your front side first, edit the text, change the colors, and add any images or logos you want. Now here's the key step for double-sided printing. At the bottom of the editor, click Add Page. This second page will be the back of your card. Design it however you like, whether that's a message, contact info, or a QR code. Make sure both pages use the same layout, alignment, and margins so nothing gets cut off when printing. Keeping important text away from the edges is very important. When both sides are ready, click Share in the top right, then click Download. Choose PDF print for the best quality. If available, enable crop marks and bleed for professional printing. If you're printing at home and your printer supports it, select double-sided or duplex printing in your printer settings before printing. If your printer doesn't support automatic duplex, print page 1 first, flip the paper according to your printer's guide, then print page 2 on the back. Always print one test copy first to make sure everything lines up correctly before printing multiple cards. And that's it. That's how you create and print double-sided cards using Canva. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.